Welcome to the SOMAH Upfront Technical Assistance application video. Upfront Technical Assistance, or Upfront TA, is a free service designed to support you on your solar installation journey. The SOMAH program administrators can help you understand the associated costs and benefits of adding solar to your property. Your time and resources are valuable, so we're here to show you how applying for Upfront TA is fast and easy. To apply for Upfront TA, go to calsoma.org/apply. If you're a new user, select the utility your property is located in, then click on Apply. This will prompt you to register for a Power Clerk account, which is the application portal the SOMAH program uses. If you already have a Power Clerk account, you can click on Returning Users and select the utility your property is in, then click on Apply. It will lead you straight to the Power Clerk application portal. Once you have logged into Power Clerk, click on the new Upfront Technical Assistance Request button that can be found on the top left. This will lead you to the Welcome page, and from here, we'll go through the next phase. On this page, verify that you are submitting an application for the correct utility territory. For example, you can see here that I'm submitting an application for the Liberty territory. Once you've verified it's correct, click the Next button. The next series of questions identify who the applicant and host customer are for this project. These can be the same entity or different. If you're submitting this request for Upfront TA on behalf of the property owner, you may select the checkbox here. We can now scroll down to the host customer contact information, which includes host customer type and contact preferences. If the host customer and applicant are the same, you can select applicant and the information will autofill. Just answer the rest of the questions and then click on Next. This next section asks for basic information about the property, such as property name, site address, and the number of units. You will need to input service account and meter numbers for all common area meters on the property, which you can easily find on your utility bill statements. Once this information is fully complete, click on Next. Here, we want to learn more about which Upfront TA services you're interested in. There are a number of TA services available to you, such as solar feasibility assessment for the property, financing, coordination with other energy programs, contractor bidding support, and SOMAH reservation support. Now, we've reached the required documentation submittal section. There are 3 documents required to apply for Upfront TA, which must be reviewed by the SOMAH PA before the request can be approved. The first document is the documentation of multifamily low-income housing eligibility. As an example, this is a regulatory agreement from the Tax Credit Allocation Committee. This will be the property's deed restriction or regulatory agreement that defines it as low-income multifamily property. It also defines that the property is financed with low-income housing tax credits, tax-exempt mortgage revenue bonds, general obligation bonds, or local, state, or federal loans or grants. Another required document is the letter of authorization to receive a customer information or act on a customer's behalf. This is a utility form that authorizes the SOMAH PA to request energy consumption data for the property. We'll need this information for informing the appropriate system capacity for the site. You will need to complete the highlighted fields shown on this form. The last required document is a list of tenant addresses for ESA program referral. This document can be in the form of a Word doc, PDF, or Excel sheet as shown here. You can download the letter of authorization form and the list of tenant addresses template on our application process and documents page. Simply scroll down to the Upfront Technical Assistance section and click on Documents to submit. Here, you can find the letter of authorization form for different utility territories, and it is important to select the document for the utility your property is in. You can also find the template for the list of tenant addresses here. Once you have finished answering all the application questions and uploading the required documents, you can press Submit at the bottom of the page, and you will receive a SOMA application number. Well done, you have successfully submitted your application. If any information or documentation is missing, or if you need further clarification, you will be notified via email with the corrections stated, and you will have 20 days to resubmit the necessary corrections. Now, let's take a look at the Upfront TA timeline so you can know what to expect. After your application has been submitted, the SOMA PA will review the information to verify the property is eligible for the program. Next, the SOMA PA will request utility consumption data and move your application into Upfront TA approved. You would then be assigned to an energy project manager who will talk through your specific project needs, what can be expected by participating, and how our technical assistance and support services can make the process of going solar easier for you. Your APM will then provide you with all the resources and education you need to decide if moving forward with solar is right for you. The resources include a report containing solar feasibility details, financial analysis, cost-benefit breakdowns, and so forth. Your APM will then work with you to solicit bid proposals from solar PV contractors and ultimately select the contractor that is right for you. The online bidding tool may be used as a resource in this process. And last, you will work with their selected contractor to submit a reservation request. The SOMA PA is here to help every step of the way and ensure submitting your request is as seamless as possible. If for any reason you need assistance with completing a document or have any questions with submitting the request, you can email us for assistance or simply submit the request with the information you have and we will reach out to you. Thanks for watching.